Hello everyone, welcome to the training sessions, Parse with Octoparse in 3 minutes. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through extra data from a list. Firstly, we'd like to demonstrate how to extract a list of data on the page. Contents on a web page are usually organized in some kinds of patterns. One of the most commonly seen patterns is a list. Here is an example. You can see that the product title, the prices, and other information are all listed in the same way. And this is what we call a list of data. And this kind of web page, we call it a listing page. Other examples you can imagine like Google search result page or social media posts page, etc. They all display the information in a similar format. Okay, we will use this e-commerce page to show you how to do it. In this listing page, we want to scrape the title, the price, etc. from each product listed. And here we will choose the first product section firstly. Note that you must include all the information you want to scrape in this highlighted area like this. Do not only select the title or the price separately. After we choose the first product, you can see the notes here on the tips that Octoparse has found some sub-elements. Sub-elements means the smaller part of the information inside this section. Octoparse will divide these sub-elements into different columns. If we want to scrape the sub-elements, we can choose Select All Sub-elements. And then you will see that other similar products with the same sub-elements will be detected automatically. And then we choose Select All here, which means we want all the sub-elements to be scraped from all the products. And now you will see on the tips it shows 5 fields selected and 8 lines captured. You can check what are the 5 fields and how will the data be scraped in the data preview. You can see that the data from each product is scraped line by line. And now, we can choose extra data. And there will be a loop created in the workflow. If in some cases that the sub-elements cannot be detected, for example, you don't have this option on the tips, and there are no similar elements found, we can firstly select the first product and then continue to select the second product section. Note that the two sections should be the same. You cannot select the whole product section from this first product, but only scrape the product title from the second product. Okay, now all the product sections will be detected. And here we choose extra text from the selected element. A loop will also be created, but you may find that all the information from the product section is scraped into one field. If we want to separate the fields, we can go to the first product. You can see it is highlighted in green. It's notifying you that to only select information from this highlighted area. Okay, here we select the title and we want to scrape the text, so we choose extra the text. Then choose price and also extra the text. If you want to scrape the product URL, select the product title that contains the URL and also make sure the A tag is selected. So we click A here. A tag always contains a URL. And you can get the option of extract the URL. Okay, this is for how to extract a list of data. Next, we will show you how to click each product link and get the information from the detail page. Let's take this web page as an example too. The product title can be clicked and it takes you to the product detail page. If we wanted to click these links one by one and get data from each product detail page, firstly, we select the first product title. You can see Octoparse detect other similar links on this page, and here we can choose select all, means we wanted to select all the product links Octoparse has detected. And in case Octoparse does not find the similar elements, we can also continue to select the second product link manually after selecting the first one. That will also help Octoparse to detect all the elements with the same pattern. And then we choose loop click each element. In some cases, this option might be loop click each URL. It means to click the links selected one by one. Okay, Octoparse will now open the first product page automatically. From here, we can manually select any information we want. For example, I choose the product title and choose extra text of the selected element, and do the same to other informations like I need the price and the category and the description. If you click on an image here, there will be an option of extracting the image URL, and you can choose it to scrape the URL if you want. And if you choose a text with a hyperlink, you will have the option of extract the URL. This is how we click a list of links to get data. But what if we wanted to scrape from listing page first and then go to each product detail page to get other info? It's quite easy to do it. Firstly, let's create the steps to scrape from the listing page. We select the first product section, select all sub-elements, and select all and extra data. Okay, the loop has been created now. From here, you can see there is an option on the tips. Click on links to scrape the linked pages. We can use this option to select an extracted data field to click on if we have scraped the URL as a field. Or we can choose click a link on the web page and then select a link we need to click manually on the web page. We can also do it manually by just clicking on the first product link, which is within the highlighted area. And then you can see the option click element, or in some cases it could be click URL. Then after choosing this option, now you can see the detail page is opened. And then we can scrape the information from the detail page like what we have shown before.